What's up guys, this is Hadi and you are watching You Explain. Welcome to another Adobe XD tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can create this stunning fingerprint animation in Adobe XD. So let's jump into the video. Here in Adobe XD I already created a setup, and the most important part of this animation is this fingerprint line icon or scanning line icon. You can find this icon anywhere on the internet or just download it from the description. Make sure that this icon is in the vector form. As you can see here, its border size is 4, dash size is 150 and gap is 1000. We will use this dash size to create this awesome animation. So first I will create the copy of this icon by right clicking, copy and paste, just like that. And now I will change the color of this previous icon to light blue. Now I will move both of these icons to our artboard, making sure that it's in the center. So now I will create 4 copies of this artboard, just like that. Here in first artboard I will change the dashes size to 0. As you can see, these little dots, these are the starting point of the dashes with 0 size. Now I will change the opacity to the 0. Here in second artboard I will change the dashes size of few lines to half or maybe less than half, like it's total 150, as you can see. So I will change one by one all these lines to like 30, 70 or maybe 20. It's all up to you, it's all up to your needs. Here we go. So as you can see, it's kinda look like half filled fingerprint and give a dynamic look to our animations. You will see this later in this video. So for the third artboard I won't change anything because it will be as it is. So here in fourth artboard I will change the size of both icons to small and the opacity to 0 to create a disappearing effect. I will show you later. Now here in prototype mode, let's create some interactions between these artboards. For the first, set the trigger to time and change the time to 0 seconds. Action type will be auto-animate, easing will be ease in out, and the duration will be 1.5 seconds. Same for the second interaction, and in the third interaction, easing will be ease in and duration will be 0.6, just to create disappearing effect little bit quicker than the other ones. So now let's preview this. There we go, it's look perfect. So let's create a pairing effect in the start of this animation. To do so, I am going to make a copy of the first artboard. And I will select all these elements and change the opacity to 0. Here in prototype mode, I will connect this artboard to the next, and this time I will change the set time trigger to 1 second and duration will be 0.8 seconds. So guys, to add the finishing to this animation, I will make a copy of this last artboard and add another element, which is this green tick, moving it into the center. I will change the dashes and opacity size to 0 again for this one. Now I copy this artboard and change the dashes size back to 150 and the opacity to 100%. And for this indication, just change the opacity of this green layer to 100%. So let's move to the prototype mode and create another trigger. just like that. So here this awesome fingerprint animation, guys. If you like this tutorial, then please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. Thanks for watching.